column is a serial number, load, time taken for 10 cc is a RPM. What is the main purpose means you must maintain the RPM. So how to maintain the RPM? I maintain 1500 RPM. I maintain the 1500 RPM. How to maintain the RPM means here some things are provided. Adjustments are there. This adjustment you are adjusted here. You are adjust the adjustment. What happens? You can maintain the temperature RPM. You can maintain the RPM. So you maintain 1500 RPM. What happens? The load only you are changed. The RPMs are constant only. Okay, constant only. Constant only. Okay. So like that you can make it. First 2 kg. Time taken is 13 seconds. So 1500 RPM. 4 kg. It will take 17 seconds, 1500 RPM. 6 kg. It will take 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 1500 RPM. 8 kg 6 seconds, 1500 RPM. 10 kg 4 seconds, 1500 RPM. So this is the time taken for it is the taken reading from the engine for experiment. Now you go to calculate the things. How to calculate the things means here see first you must find out the BP. BP means brake power. What is the formula for brake power? 2 pi n t divided by 60. Okay, 60. So 2 pi n. 2 pi is the constant only. Okay, n is the RPM. RPM means you are taking the reading. Okay, 1500 RPM you substitute here. T is the torque. How to find out the torque? It is very important things. How to find out the torque? T is equal to W into R. W into R means W is the load. How much load you are given? Here you are given 2 kg. First, but what I means it is a kg. You convert it into Newton. So converted into Newton means 2 into 9.81. It will come to Newton. It comes to Newton. So 2 into 9.81 you can get a Newton value. So it is a value. Then R is the radius. Radius means it's the radius of the drum. See, this is a drum. This drum only make a friction by the spring balance. That's why you are calculate the radius of the drum. How to find out the radius means you are find out the diameter of the drum and you can divide it by 2. The radius will come. The radius is 20. Okay, the radius is it is 20 only. Okay, so W is 2 into 9.81 into R is the radius. Okay, so you can get a T value. Now you substitute the value at here, so you can get a BP value. Okay, BP brake power you can get it. After calculate the brake power, you can go to TFC. What is the meaning of TFC? Total fuel consumption. How to find out the TFC? Already I told here 10 cc of fuel for how much time taken for the engine running. So it is a concept. Okay, already we are take the reading. It will comes to 13. Okay, 13 seconds. 13 seconds means here 13 second is there. So what is the formula for TFC? So 10 cc divided by what are the value are taken. So 13 means you substitute 30 into it will comes to hours. Okay, seconds it will comes to minutes. So hours means 3600 divided by 1000. So you can get a value of TFC. So like that it is for 2 kg. Then you can calculate the 4 kg, 6 kg, 8 kg, 10 kg. Same like BP also you can calculate 2 kg, 4 kg, 6 kg, 8 kg, 10 kg. Okay, so like that your calculations are coming. After that you must find out the SFC. SFC means specific fuel consumption. Specific fuel consumption. So what is how to find out specific fuel consumption? TFC divided by BP. TFC already you are find out. BP also already find out. You can divide by you can get a SFC. How to find out find out a SFC? The TFC1 divided by BP1. BP1 is this value and TFC value is this one. So you divide by these two things, you can get a value of SFC1. Then like that 5 readings are taken. SFC for 1, SFC2, SFC3, SFC4, SFC5 you can calculate. Then after that the mechanical efficiency. How to find out the mechanical efficiency means it is the mechanical efficiency BP by IP. How to find out the IP? IP is FP minus BP. FP is 2.7, it is a constant value given in the observation notebook, and BP also already you are find out. So 2.7 plus 0, it will come to 2.1, it's IP value. So by this method you can find out the value of BP divided by IP, we can get a mechanical efficiency. Okay, these are the different calculations get it from the performance of the IC engine. So I want to stop it here. If you have any doubt means you call to me. I will clarify the doubts and other things. Thank you for watching the video.